This is the kind of video that you can actually edit or achieve using your just smartphone together with CapCut editing application. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the screen to show you how I edited this very video. Let's go to the CapCut editing application to show you how I recorded the video first before we continue with the editing. Click on that new project to bring in the video. Click on add here to bring it up to the editing interface proper. Now this is how I recorded the video, okay? Where I walked into the camera and then to the action part of it. Allow the object that you want to use for the video to cover your entire body. You can see the building. My head did not show up the sky, okay? Now you record it to the end, choosing the style you want. That is from here. I ran towards the camera and I jumped. Now I advanced back and then threw something on the sky where the sky changed color. Now this is how I edited the video. Now taking the video to the beginning, first of all, have the video highlighted by touching the video bar. Now swipe to the left hand side until you get to freeze that very empty background. Okay, so you take the video forward again to where you stood down, where the building at your back or whatsoever you are using to do the stuff covers your entire body. You can see it here. From here you click on the video bar again, highlight it, come over to split and click delete. After splitting, you highlight the wanted part and delete. Now this is what you need to do. Come over to that very freeze part of the empty background, have it highlighted, swipe to this end until you get to overlay. Once you get to that point, it will bring that very freeze part of the empty background below the main raw video here. What you need to do is to trace the video to that very place you jumped up. Let your feet be above the building or the object you are using for the video. You can see what I am doing, okay? You can see that my leg is above the building. Come over to this very freeze part of the empty background which we overlaid. Click and hold on this very white portion. Click and hold and drag it to end here. Okay, ask your question if you did not understand. Now what you will do for me is to help me share this video. Let it get to others out there, please. That is what you will do for me. I'm begging you. Now still on that very overlay, this is another thing which you need to do so that the guy at the background here will be shown. Now having the video highlighted, we come over to remove background and click on chroma key here. Now come to this very circle here and shift it depending on the area that will give you a clear revelation of the very young guy here. Then come to this intensity, take this button forward either to 50% or something below 50% until you get a clearer view of the young guy. You can see, yeah, I think 50% or something close to 50% is okay. Now click on this check mark button or key to authenticate your action. Now still on that, we will still play the video. Now reaching that very place you threw something in the sky, target this very vertical line at that very place. It shows where you are in the video, okay? Target it like this. Come over to this very split button again and have it splitted, okay? Now highlight this part. You're not going to delete it. Swipe to overlay and here is overlay. Click on overlay, it will bring the video down. This is what you will do. So you come over to this very plus sign button and have it launched. It will take you to your gallery. Now from this very video side, head over to image side to bring in the beautiful sky color. Okay, here is it. You can actually get this from YouTube, TikTok, or from your WhatsApp. This particular one, I generated it from my WhatsApp. In my next video, I will teach you guys how you can actually generate something cool like this from your WhatsApp. Yes, that very particular WhatsApp you have. So at this point, click on this very add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Click here and then hold on this very end part of the white portion. Now advance it until it get to any length you want. You will still do the adjustment. Okay, now when you look at this very rectangle here, you need to increase it so that it will cover the upper layer of the video by holding and zoom it in and take it up. Okay, I think this is okay. To make that very beautiful sky to get reviewed here, come over to this one and highlight it. Having it highlighted, swipe to remove background, which is this, and then have it click, choose chroma key. Now use this very circle to navigate through the screen until it gets reviewed. Now to get a clearer picture, come over to this very intensity and then adjust the button forward depending on what you want to achieve. I think this 39 is okay. Now you click on this check mark button. Having it checked, then come over to that very beautiful sky, highlight it, then go to duplicate. Here is it, and click on duplicate. Click on that very duplicated part of it and then search for overlay and click on overlay to bring it below. Now click and hold and take it forward to tally with the beginning of the raw picture of that very beautiful sky. This is what you will do at this very moment. Click on it, that overlaid sky. Now come over to splice. Here is it. Once you get to splice, click on it, allow it to load. Come over to overlay here. Click on that very feature. Now use this very button to adjust it to 30 something. I think that is okay. Now use your hands to bring it down. That will give a reflective nature of that very beautiful sky to cover the ethnic background of the video. Okay, so now we need to click on this check mark key, okay, to authenticate the action. Now let's take the video forward to where we want it to end, then undo the little adjustment to trim, to cut, and to delete the excess part of the video. Okay, let's play the video before exporting it. Okay, all right, in this very point you need to look for any cool sound of your choice and then blend the video with it. Have you seen the outcome of the video? So if you like what I've just shown you now, do well to give me a like and a follow if you are just coming across my page for the first time, and do well to drop your question or your recommendation, and then share this video for others to learn and benefit from it. I remain your boy, Mr. Kelly Fresh. See you in my next tutorial.